Hi everyone, I hope you all are good. Today's video would guide you on how to stay motivated and achieve what you want to achieve. Motivation is nothing but the drive or desire that directs us to move towards our goals. But at times we feel demotivated and don't know what to do. Keep watching to do away with this feeling and gear up again. Start defining your wants and goals. Try to understand the purpose behind what you are doing or want to do. Give your goals some concrete thoughts before working on it. For example, if you want to become a YouTuber, what purpose would it serve? What all content would you be presenting to your viewers? How would you create attractive videos and so on? Start breaking the bigger goals into smaller goals or steps. This will not overwhelm you and will also help you to stay motivated throughout. You would then find your dreams as achievable. You may find successful professors working in the educational organizations today, but have you ever thought about how they reached this bigger goal? Definitely not a one-day task. It's very common that working in a similar field can make us feel bored and demotivated. Hence, it is advised to use creativity and humor while doing so. Creativity means using different and newer approaches to accomplish a task, and humor is to lighten oneself with the essence of some comedy. Do you crack jokes while doing something? Get yourself a visual map of success. Take some craft objects, use pictures and some sketch pens. Make a map defining your goals in a step-by-step format. The end goal defining your ultimate success. Make it as beautiful as possible. Finally, stick it onto the wall of your room or wherever you feel like. Reward yourself when you progress, and this progress can be a step towards your bigger goal. Whenever you do so, encourage yourself with some sort of reward, which need not be a very costly object. You can simply gift yourself a chocolate or a movie date. Know your limits. Oftentimes we pressurize ourselves a lot to achieve something right there and then. This ultimately leads to more disappointment and feeling demotivated. To keep your motivation uplifted, take breaks when needed. Avoid harsh self-talks when things seem to be difficult to achieve. Always remember, we all humans have our own limitations and we can always try to give our best. Of course, somebody's best would be different from somebody else's. So show some compassion and love to your own self. Keep your mind and body fit. Do some exercises regularly, even if it's short. Eat some healthy food and avoid getting too much dependent on junk. Meditate whenever you get some time for yourself. You can use guided meditations that are available for free on YouTube. Remember, mind and body are connected in an incredible way. Don't be afraid to face challenges. Your goals are stronger than them. If you ever feel like you cannot make it anymore, try remembering why you ever started in the first place. Whatever we do to achieve success, none can stop challenges to come up on the way. So let's not forget how powerful we are and start moving forward. Patience is an important element without which success can be an unattainable goal. Things may not work like the way we thought, but it doesn't mean they will never work. Hence, keep trying and be patient until you reach your goal. So I hope these suggestions would bring some positivity in you all. Subscribe to this channel for more such videos. See you in the next video. Until next time, take good care of your mental health. Thank you. Have a nice day.